It is my privilege and honor to extend warm greetings to all of you on this momentous occasion of the commissioning of the Indian Coast Guard ship Amulya. Today marks a proud and historical moment as we also celebrate the Liberation Day of Goa. As we commission this ship into the service of the Coast Guard, she carries a great responsibility to safeguard our waters, protect lives at sea, and uphold the sovereignty of our nation. During my last 3 years in the Ministry of Defence, I am a personal witness to the professional excellence of the Indian Coast Guard as well as Goa shipyard. So I am happy that I am getting an opportunity to share with you the brilliance of the Coast Guard and the Goa Shipyard Limited. Coming back to Amulya, it strengthens the operational capability of the Indian Coast Guard and reflects its constant growth as a dynamic, modern and responsive force. I congratulate the commanding officer, the officers and all ranks of ICGS Amulya on this proud milestone. My compliments also to the Goa Shipyard Limited for the successful indigenous construction of this fast patrol vessel. Equipped with advanced state-of-the-art systems, and I am proud to announce that more than 60% is of indigenous content. Amulya is a shining embodiment of the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. It represents not only a technological advancement, but also the strengthening of India's maritime might and its industrial base.
India's maritime capability and a moment of deep professional pride for all of us associated with this program. It gives me immense satisfaction as Director of Operations of Goa Shipyard Limited to stand here today at this historic milestone, the commissioning of the third fast patrol vessel of this class. For us at GSL, this moment represents far more than delivery of a ship. It signifies the culmination of meticulous planning, engineering excellence, and the unwavering commitment of our workforce to meet and exceed the operational expectations of the Indian Coast Guard. In this transformative journey, Goa Shipyard is proud to be a key stakeholder and contributor. Over 6 decades, GSL has emerged as one of the country's most reliable and versatile warship builders, delivering over 400 platforms to the Indian Navy, Indian Coast Guard, and friendly foreign nations. Of these, 35 platforms have been constructed for the Indian Coast Guard alone, underscoring the deep institutional trust and long-standing partnership between GSL and the Indian Coast Guard. The fast patrol vessel being commissioned today is a testimony to our commitment to timelines, quality, and operational relevance.